So real quick, this is on writing an equation from a table. If you do not have the notes, go ahead and pause. This is steps 1 through 3. We're going to use each one of these steps to solve writing an equation from a table. If you came back, you got steps 4 and 5. Go ahead and add that to your notebook. Pause the video, and then you can go ahead and follow along. So for this one, I'm going to do the first number 5 since there's 2 of them. And I'm going to do steps 1 through 2, which is finding my slope. I'm going to pick 2 points on my graph. Now remember, you can write it within the graph. x1, y1, x2, y2. Or you can pull them out and go ahead and just show your work here as well. And you're labeling them. Now you're going to plug them into the slope formula. Just as a quick reminder, I'm going to write it on the side so you know what formula we're working with. And that is what I'm going to use to find my slope. y2 is 9 minus y1, which is 3. In this case, x2, which is located here as we labeled, 5, minus x1, which is 4. I'm going to calculate my slope. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. So my m in this case is 6. Now I got to find my b. If you read your notes, on step 3, you're going to see if it equals 0 on the x. In this case, it doesn't. I don't see where the x value is 0. So now I got to work for it. I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. I'll just pick the first one. I'm going to use my point 4, 3. That means this is one of the points on the line. And I'm going to use my m, which is 6. I'm going to use step 4 in my notebook. It says label your point from your table that you chose, x and y. And you're going to use your slope, and you're going to plug that into y equals mx plus b. In this case, my y is 3. That's what it is from the point, equals m right here, which is 6, parentheses 4, which is my x, and I'm solving for b. Give you a second to catch up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and solve for b normally. 6 times 4 is 24. Write the rest. I'm going to do the inverse on 24 and subtract 24 from each side. And I am going to get negative 21 for my b. I have my m and I have my b. So I can write the equation because we're going to write it in y equals mx plus b. In this case, y equals, my m is 6. I'm going to bring my x down, minus my b, minus 21 because my b is negative 21. All I did was put in slope-intercept form. So there you go. That's my equation. Y equals 6x minus 21 is the equation to the table. Follow your notes for each step. You can go ahead and check the video again if you need to.